I've been trading for many years and have seen countless people rise and fall in the market. Later, I discovered that all traders essentially fall into one of 7 levels. Regardless of whether you're trading US stocks, Hong Kong stocks, or futures, the essence is the same. Almost everyone starts at level 1, but very few actually reach level 7. See which level you're on and tell me. Level 1, gambler. People at this stage aren't actually trading, they're gambling. They rush in when they see others buying, chase after stocks hitting their daily limit, and immediately open an account when they see others making hundreds of thousands. They have no system, no risk control, and no logic. The most terrifying thing is that many people can actually make money at the beginning because beginner's luck makes you mistakenly believe you have a real talent. So they start adding to their positions, going all in, only to have the market slap them back to reality. People at level 1 have one thing in common. When asked why they bought, they can't explain it. They can only say they felt it would go up. That's not trading, that's buying lottery tickets. Level 2, student. At this level, you start frantically studying candlestick charts, MACD, RSI, and sentiment cycles, watching videos and studying tutorials every day, feeling like you're improving daily. But in reality, you're just trapped in a learning illusion. Today you think this indicator is amazing, tomorrow you think that trading strategy is brilliant, and in the end, you know a little about everything, but can't do anything well. The most dangerous part of this stage is that you mistakenly believe that knowing a lot equals making money, but the market never rewards knowledge, it only awards execution. The third level, system builder. True traders are born here because you finally start establishing your own rules. When to buy, when to sell, stop loss levels, position sizes, and starting to manage trading like a business. Many people also start writing trading logs at this stage. Don't underestimate this action. It's crucial because for the first time, you truly discover what you're always haphazardly managing your positions, that you easily become impulsive when you lose money, and that every time you over leverage, problems arise. The market begins to reflect your weaknesses like a mirror. The fourth level, emotional collapse. This is the level most people never escape because you already have a system, but you can't execute it. Randomly changing stop loss orders, adding to losing positions, prematurely taking profits, and engaging in revenge trading, immediately wanting to recoup losses on the next trade, only to lose even more on the second. People think they've lost to the market, but that's not really the problem. The real issue is you can't control yourself. There's a classic saying, the system itself isn't the problem, you are the biggest flaw in the system. What does this mean? It means that many people's trading systems are actually profitable, but in live trading, human nature, fear, greed, and wishful thinking takes over. The system tells you to stop loss, but you can't bear to. The system tells you to stay out of the market, but you can't resist. The system tells you to wait, but you can't hold on. In the end, it's not that the system fails, but that you destroy it yourself. The fifth level, the disciplined trader. At this level, you finally begin to truly understand the saying, a losing trade isn't necessarily a wrong trade. Many people never understand this their entire lives. Ordinary people believe that making money is right and losing money is wrong, but professional traders only look at one thing, whether you followed the system. Because a single trade is meaningless. It's 100 trades that make sense. You begin to accept that losses are part of trading. You start to view the market with probabilistic thinking, like a casino, rather than emotional thinking. The sixth level is the adaptive trader. You'll gradually discover that no trading system in this world is effective forever. Bull markets, bear markets, interest rate cuts, wars, AI, and liquidity changes all alter the market. Truly advanced traders aren't those who trade every day, but those who know when not to trade. There's a particularly important saying, trading isn't a job. In ordinary jobs, the more you do, the more you earn. But in trading, it's often the opposite. Top traders might derive 80% of their profits from just 2 or 3 trades a year, spending the rest of their time waiting. Finally, the seventh level is the self-aware trader. At this level, you fully understand that the biggest enemy in trading is never the market, but yourself. You know your weaknesses, desires, emotions, fear, greed. You no longer fantasize about predicting the market, nor do you fight against it, because truly top traders know that no one can predict the market. The only thing you can control is yourself. Finally, here's a particularly harsh truth. Trading doesn't become easier, but it starts to become simpler when you stop fighting against yourself. So the question is, where are you on this level now?